Waiting for things to wake up. Sorry I was so quiet there. Seriously? One thing after another today. That's just how it feels. One thing after another. But we're here. We're back. We got this. I can go there. Okay. This, yes. It's a process, guys. This is a proper process. Good. Good. We're good. We're good. Good to go. Good to go. Am I late? No, I'm not late. Am I late? I feel like I'm a little bit late. Maybe I'm a bit late. Okay. What happened? What happened after I left? Okay, so this would have been a win. Nice. So there were two that I missed. Ooh. Let's see about this range. Oh, that would have been so rude. So rude. I see we doing chop, 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 push, chop, 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 push. Is it going to be continuation or is it going to be reversal now? Let's look at the New York high. Hey, Dolly, how you doing? If it goes up, it means win. If it goes down, it means buy more. Clearly. Yo, okay. This range here, interesting. This here. It's respecting the fair value gaps really nicely today. It's heading towards that London high. Clorox, what? I don't know what you were trying to say there, else I would have commented. We got time, sorry, I know I was a bit late today. Maybe. Shocker, what up? How's it going? How are you? Guys, let's see. Let's see if the markets bring anything. Let's see, I'm literally just kind of hopping on for chat. Hey, Thomas, what's up? How's it going? How was the rest of yesterday? Okay. Everyone else can spam. Clocks, I mean, that's valid, right? Got head back in the game yet or just watching? Solly, I'm not sure yet, to be honest. I don't know if my head is properly back in the game, but we're here. So let's see if today, if I see it and I'm not overthinking it as much, I'll give it a go. Maybe I'll just mitigate the risk, right? Maybe I'll just have less contracts placed in. But let's see what the markets have to offer, because this appears to be chilling slightly right now. Guys, am I wrong? Daylight savings only happens November, right? Then times change. Oh, shocker. I mean, that's true. I did have really good rides on the horses now today, so I do feel better. Do I look more relaxed? I feel a bit more relaxed. So that's good. I feel like I took a good... which is what we all need sometimes. I don't know if I look any more relaxed, though. How's everyone else's trades been going? Anything now? November the 2nd. Oh. Okay, thanks, Ollie. Only True Trader, what up? Yeah, how was the rest of London session? Like I said, it looks like as I left, it actually had that little bit of a breakout, which is awesome. And now here we are. Oh no, oh no. Bless me, sorry about that. My bad. Sammy, what is expectation for AM session? I think this is going to be a continuation on the bullish trend. I could be very wrong though. Just I'm putting it out there. Thanks, High Life. Thank you. If the Matrix says that, got it. Clorix, got it. Got it. Merchant, I can. Let's see. Let's have a look here. I don't know. This wouldn't have been a win yet, but you can see the setup. Literally bottom of the range. I don't even know if this would have tagged me in. Oh, it would have. Top of the range. Would have looked like this. I probably would have already taken partials. So the possibility of this actually have been a partials with break even is very likely. It's what I've been wanting to start doing. Shocker. Awesome. Okay, cool. Maybe my head is back in the game because I called the bullish earlier. You know, with this consolidation here, I said, I have a feeling it's going to break upwards. Maybe my head's slowly getting back in the game. Maybe. Slowly but surely. Only true. Oh, look at you, Only True Trader. Nice, nice. Look at you not just being stuck and set on your bias. I'm impressed. That's growth for you, right? Right. Hey, Nanomix 500. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq. Yeah, futures. I nearly said the Nasdaq 500. I'm like, that's not right. I'm thinking of S&P 500. No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Micros, to be specific. Ricky, what up? How are you? How's the trading been going today? You know, I can't complain. This morning, I specifically didn't take any trades. Just for brain-wise. Brain-wise, you get what I'm trying to say. Let's see if today, if I'm feeling confident in it, I will give it a bash today. I said like they are separate days, but you know. Nanomix, cool. Is that all you trade? Yes, for now. For now, I'm thinking about having a look at the gold. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I got Murshid, I'm sorry. I got distracted. So there's a lot there's a lot that I look at. Like I said, I would never trade before New York Open. Like, I have my dumb moments, but that's not one of them. But essentially, bottom of the range, top of the range. There's some confluences that go into this. So number one, I see, oh, we have a fair value gap, which gives me a good idea that we're going to try and go down to hopefully buy and discount. Fair value gap, we've got a little bit of an order block situation going on here. Normally it would be better if maybe VWAP or something was up here as another confluence. We're going with market structure still. We're very clearly sticking with bullish right now. Stick with the bullish. I mean, you could see here this would have been a win. Just popped up. So market structure, fair value gaps, have your confluences as confirmation and buy in a little bit of a discount. Yeah, it's nice and sweet and simple. Obviously, you know, liquidity grabs and, but for now, that's it. I'm not saying it's perfect. There's a few things that need to be tweaked. Entry is at 50%. Again, like I said, this is the auction market theory coming into play. Entry is at 50%. 30% of the 50% is stop loss. So this is what I have to try to figure out. Some people would argue that this should be entry. I need to do a little bit more backtesting on it. I think there's some tweaking that could be done on this strategy. You know, like some fine tuning. But anyways, sorry. So stop loss is 30% of the 50. And then 2R up is take profit. Yeah. And I tried with break evens when it reached like 50%. At the end of that, came to realize break evens weren't exactly worth it because a lot of them ended up being wins. So I was losing out on profit. Then I tried, you know, not going break even. Wasn't terrible. Now I'm playing with taking partials at 50%, then moving to break even, because then if I do get stopped out at break even, it's already hit that 50%, so I have partials going on. So that's not bad. Sorry, that was, you know, short story long. That's it. Yeah, only true trader. Jazzy Jeff, worth looking at RTH gap at the open. Okay. Let's see. You mostly trade large cap options. Interesting. Okay, like Nanomix. Relax. I haven't. What are they all about? Woohoo! And this is why we do not trade open. Here we go. Signs of end times. What up? How are you? Ah, thanks, Ricky. Yeah, well, yeah. What did you think? Uh, 045 sweep would be nice. See, this is why I do not trade open. You gotta see what's gonna happen. Oh, yeah. By the previous London high. Hell yeah. Only true trader, yes. The only problem is it would work sometimes. You know, I guess that's the argument, right? It's fewer trades, but with a higher R, because I checked it out yesterday. You know, it just... A lot of the times when it comes down to this level, a lot, not always, but a lot of the times when it comes down to this level, it tends to keep going down. Tends, being the word there, not always. But I mean... The R's do be good with this. Let's say this. Is this correct? Mostly. Yeah, that's basically 4.5 R's, which is, you know, clearly an improvement. Clearly an improvement. Just doesn't always happen, you know. I'm marshaled. Oh, okay, so yes, higher time frame. So I do confirm. So in general, there might not be confluences on the 1 minute. So then you go to the 2, 3, or 5 for confirmation of some confluences, like especially the 5 minute. I think the 5 minute it respects a lot more. I look at the 15 minute and the 1 hour for confirmation of structure. Because of it, again, market tends to respect the higher time frames a little bit more. So I do jump between them. How are you? Ricky, you're asking about a buy. I don't know. What are you looking for, Ricky? Get rich or die trying. I'm not taking it, but you would be in. Okay. Shock. Yeah, bullish overall market, sudden drops. Let's see. I mean, this could be the reversal. Yeah. Normally London sets the tone, and then New York either continues or it reverses. Not always, but in general. Hey, Jack. How are you? No, I'm joking. That's fine. How are you doing though, Jack? How's it going? Oh, damn, Nanomix, nice. Mid caps they're having. How long have you been trading for, Nanomix? Until we see market structure shift on 15 minutes. Let's see. Okay, Knight, you're bullish till we see the market structure. Agreed. I mean, Jack, that's valid. Jack, how long have you been trading for? Jordy, what up? How you doing? Ricky, you would be buying here to test the high. Shall we? Shall we test this theory about if I made this my entry? Okay, let's say there would have been tagged in. Boogerman, what up? Oop. Looks like it might be wanting to go down. Oh my gosh, you know, maybe I should sort out things before. Let's check what ES looks. Oh no, I hate it when they look so different. Shoot, this is not gonna be a win, isn't it? Watch this now start to pump up. There we go. Sorry. I'm pulling a face because I didn't like what it was doing. Jack, I mean, that's valid. We get rich trading by not losing our shirts. Yeah. Boogerman, you think it's gonna bounce up? So then, yeah, entering at this level. See, I wanted to be cheeky and almost said a stop buy here, but I was like, oh, buy stop. Sorry. And I was like, nope, just wait, just wait. Boogerman, yes and no. So I use a GAN box. I don't use the fib, but I know that it's much of a muchness. Damn, nice, Nanomix. Okay. It does make me feel better. So I've only been trading since April, so I am still new. You know, still figuring things out. And I get reminded, it's so humbling. Like, for some days, or even some weeks, you're like, I've got this. And then the next week it's like, jokes. No, you don't. Ricky, the way you trade, you would have taken profit and re-entered. Ricky, I'm so sorry. I'm pretty sure I've asked you this before. Do you do market buys? I'm sorry. I know I've probably asked you this before. I apologize. Nino, what up? How are you? Just type me if needed. And oh, awesome. Who's on the Discord, Jordy? Oh, I see. I see who's in the Discord. Never mind. Okay, Ricky, so you do market buys, exit going down. Yeah. Okay. See, so that's the thing. Sometimes popping into where my stop loss would really be a great entry. A good example is actually, where was I looking earlier? Here. Doesn't seem right. Was it here? Oh, some kid is laughing and it's terrifying. No, it wasn't there. Where did I see this earlier? I mean, that would have been a win, but that's not the point. Oh, it was here. It was here. Sorry. Let me move this out the way. Let me delete that. I apologize for the chaos. I looked at this range. So you see it would have literally just tapped and then gone up for the win. So that one would have been amazing. There, 4 hour done. So, you know, it's something I need to backtest. Maybe it's something I start looking at. Okay, let's pop this a little bit closer in. Same for here. Let's see. Or if this would have just missed. I mean, this would have been a flipping win though. If I made the range there, it would have just... Or you say the range is the top of the candle. But theoretically, that's not the correct range for the 1 minute. Then use a retracement. Oh, okay, Boogerman. Nanomix, how did I get into trading? So, sweet and simply, sorry, give me 2 seconds. Let me zoom out for a second. Okay, we're about to hit that support zone. I was about to say this might be a decent entry. However, this is itty bitty bit concerning. This could pop up higher than I wanted to. Let's see what it does. Oh, sorry, Nanomix. Sorry. I got distracted. Basically, I was chatting to my friend that trades, and I said how sick I was of having to work with someone who's a boss, and you know, financial things. I can really get into it, but essentially, they then showed me this. They did say it's not going to be easy, but this, in the long run, you will have freedom. I think at the end of the day, it's that. It's to do with freedom. Yeah. Yeah, Jack, I do. Pop me an email. I can send you the Discord. Finding accurate volumes was your biggest How did you then work through it? Did you use a specific system or... Oh, what did I say about bouncing off of that level? There we go. Let's see, it could go back down now, and then it would have actually been a perfect entry. But beyond the bid, hi. First time here, what platform? I am using Project X with Top 1 Futures. That's what I'm on. Oh, Boogerman 2. Sorry, I'm doing the Nasdaq futures. Or the micros to be specific, so MNQ. Crypto King, what is that about? Which part? Sorry, I don't know where you jumped, where you hopped on. Dag nab it. What should be a win? No, maybe not. Respecting the order block though. Yes, it's pushing properly on ES. LP, you're long. Okay. What was your indication for long, LP? If not, then we stand chance to... Yeah. Hey, Melvin. How you doing? Nox! How are you? Yeah, I'm waiting to see if this is a fake out or if... Oh damn, or if New York's trying to just be a bit of a reversal. Let's see. Are we chopping now? What is ES doing? ES is doing search and destroy stuff right here. Oh man. Ready, and... Nope, not yet. What did I say? This level here. Dangerous. I don't know what big players are sitting over there. Thanks, Nox. Nano makes a tad bit, hey. Yeah. Listen, ES looks absolutely wild. ES doesn't look great right now. This is... Yeah, on a higher time frame, I'm sure this looks a little bit sideways. Oh, I mean, it's slowly pushing higher, but clearly there's a little bit of resistance. Oh, no, there we go, as I said that. LP, are you still in? Did it take you out? Are you still good? You alive? Oh, if that would have sucked, check. Would have nearly tapped into TP and then just... Okay, now ES is pushing. Cool. There we go. Would have been lost. Okay, cool. So I called that right with regards to that level. Cool. Knight is the indicator. Knight said ES long. There we go. Uh, 15-minute candles closed. Okay. Oh, has not closed. Boogeyman, you bought at 249,949. What? Why? Out of curiosity. Was it this absolute massive engulfing candle? What was it that you saw that you were like, yeah, this is the one right here? Got some equal highs going on here as well. Oh my gosh. Tis a tad bit volatile for me right now. Right, Solly? Yeah, Solly, I'm agreeing with you. I'm happy to sit back and watch this chaos. I mean, how big are these candles? Oh, there we go. These are like 50-point candles. Whoa. Night potential SMT forming here. That's 5 and 1 day retracement. Okay. Surely it goes down to 907 liquidity. I mean, actually, that's a good point. Dolly. That's a good point. Strong mind. Hey, how are you? Oh, okay. So VIX still elevated. BT dubs. Yes, I just said BT dubs. We're going with it. This would have been that entry. This would have been that 4-hour trade right there. I mean, the 2-hour... Did I not draw it like this earlier? The 2-hour may have just actually tapped dab. But there we go, that 4-hour would have been it. Nox, really? You still think the buyers are going to win this? Well, it's about to hit that it hit that 907 area. Let's see, there's a lot of liquidity sitting there. I agree with you on that one, Solly. Ooh, okay, Nanomix. Melvin, what's up? How's it been going? Don't worry, dogs, don't worry. Knight, you're an NQ short. Okay, up to what point? It would be too easy. I mean, yeah. Hey, Duncan! How are you, by the way? Well, it's taken out liquidity now. Oh, I think it's taken out everyone's stop losses on ES. That's rude. That is so rude. So it could actually shift back up now. I mean, Jack, that's valid. What do you trade? Big gamble at the start, yes. 861. Nice, nice. Okay, so just by this bit of liquidity here, 955 is your stop. Oh, that way, wrong way. Okay, let's see, Knight. Fingers crossed. Fingers closed. Okay, Ricky, you think it's going for the market gap? It's a tad bit volatile for my liking right now, so it was a very intentional sweep down. Ricky, this gap here at the 2485-ish area, is that the gap you're talking about? Oh, okay, Jack, cool. So you're a swing trader. Awesome. Nanomix, no particular reason. I started with them, and I kind of wanted to get good with one asset first. English hard, damn. I wanted to get good at one asset first before I started jumping around too much. Oh, damn. Okay. What? That's ridiculous. Marzia, hey, how are you? Ricky, you still think there'll be a spike up? Yeah, Knight, I agree with you. Bundy Boys from the north. Hi. Trading the Nasdaq a futures. No 30-minute top wick. Okay, what does that mean, Ricky? Yeah. And Boogerman, you still think it's going up all day? No, your ES is on a search and or seek and destroy. Doesn't matter, but it's going for it. Oh, nice. Nice, Thunder Boys. $50-point bounce off that liquidity grab. This could be the swing. Fundu, you think it's gonna go up? Piggyback ride your friend. Okay. No. Hey Rensler, what's up? Yeah, no, it's hectic. I'll only buy now if it sweeps London lows. 22 trader, that's valid. Yeah, shocker. Yeah, no, this is a proper... Oh, see, this also would have just taken me out. Sure. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Gotta grab something. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Sorry. My bad. I'm having a conversation with myself. Oopsie. Oops. Might be. Anyways, oh gosh. Let's see. I'm glad I didn't take anything. Like I said, the only one that would have been a goodie was this range here. This would have just got me though, just. Felipe, of course you can go for it. This is a learning stream, so anything you think that is valuable for me to go and have a look at, yeah, please go for it. I'm not here to get offended. I think. I hope that made sense. You know what I mean. Yeah, shocker. I mean, that's... Yeah. Yeah. Delete the volume indicator. Okay, Felipe. I have done it before. Damn, was I yelled at. So it's more there actually for people who want to see the volume. I don't actually tend to look at the volume that much. Hey, Vishal, what's up? Add CVD indicator. Okay. Ooh. Boogeyman, what time is it there for you? Yes, there's a lot of room on upside to full daily feedback. Ooh, okay, night. Okay, night. Well, I mean, it's freaking going on ES. I'm just saying, it's going properly. Okay, Thomas, 15 minutes. Nope, wrong one. Okay. Mm-hmm. And now it's about to hit equal highs. Okay, Felipe. Yeah, Amazia, there's just always something to learn. Damn, it's early. Okay, Michelle, you're good. You're good. Yeah. Hey, YouTube full movies, what's up? Nino M3, you're bullish for the day. Mm-hmm. So this first one, yeah. So you say, okay, swept it and now it's popping up, right, Thomas? Yeah. High and low, yeah. Hey, Zubair, how's it going? Oh, okay, Marzia, okay. Boom, whoop, whoop. Shall I imitate Boom for a second? I'm gonna trade the New York session today. Sorry, I'm just being mean. But whoop whoop whoop, well done. Yes, is about to give an easy trade, just retest of opening range, okay. Okay, 5 minute first, let's go 5 minute. Okay, and the 1 minute. Huh. Is it just me or did my VWAP move? If it's my VWAP that just moved, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Boom, you just know me too well. Of course I was going to say something. Why on earth would I not say something? Don't be ridiculous. Okay, but it just took out some equal highs. Does that mean it's going to retest back properly? Night, you're looking for a long entry somewhere here? Yes. Tony, hey yo, how's it going? Backtest what I've suggested. Felipe, I will. Thank you. Thank you for the suggestions, by the way. Yes. Can I play GTA 5 live? Oh, nice, Zubair. Zubair, I'm not sure if I'm going to take trades today. Just mentally, my brain needs a... Essentially, that's That's the only reason I'm just saying that. And unlux for me, that's why I had to go get my phone. Unlux for me, my roommate's car broke and they need me to go and pick them up from work. So if I randomly disappear, it's because of that. I need to go and do that. So I might have to leave early today. I'm waiting for them to say when. You know, all-time highs, it'll keep moving up. I don't think it's going to retest a little bit. I mean, at least come take out. Oh, there's a lot. What about this area? Sorry, I made this really big, but Oh, sorry, YouTube full movies. I marked out the 15-minute candle with the box. Sorry. Felipe, thank you, thank you. Nanomix, so normally I'm like 15 minutes before New York Open and I stay until around 11:30 EST time, around 5:30 p.m. South Africa time. So what's that, 2 and a bit hour, 2 hours? Yes, something like that. Whenever you don't trade, you look cuter, really? The breaker, yeah. It's a bit, where, what frame, what? I mean, here's London high from earlier. Let's see, it's about to tap into it. Night, I mean, that's valid, right? If it doesn't, but that's the thing. If the market doesn't fit your A+ setup, why bother taking it? It's why I sometimes have those quotes up of day trader, not everyday trader. You don't have to place a trade every day. That would be FOMO getting involved. Oh, nice, Boogeyman. Whoop whoop. Yeah. But you want to sing for me? Is that a great idea? Oh, YouTube full movies. Thomas K mentioned it and said have a look at how it didn't drop far below. It kind of wicked. Well, it didn't wick, but no, it wicked on the 50-minute. It dropped below it and then it rejected back up. Nanomix, have I considered moving to stocks? I haven't really looked into it. Yeah. Do you think stocks are better, and why? Hey! Savannah, is that right? No. Savannah. Sorry if I'm butchering that. How are you? Are you going to short or long there? Uday, I feel like there has to be a big retest coming soon. Or retracement, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if I'm brave enough for it to be quite honest with you. That's not what I wanted to do. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do it today. Yesterday was a little bit of a knock, so I kind of said if I don't place a trade today, it's good for me mentally to just watch and see what happens. You know, it's not the end of the world. I don't have to trade every single day. Sometimes it's good to mentally take a breath. But I still wanted to hop on so that I can chat to you guys and I can still watch the charts and forward test a little bit. Never a bad thing to forward test. Yeah, that's basically it. Jamal, what up? Ah, cheers, Boogeyman. Enjoy. Malice, this is futures, so not a pair. Nino M3, NQ for life, NQ the diva. Diva indeed. Damn. Aw, thank you. Oh, Oh, you know, can't complain, can't complain. Offer more opportunity as there's more progression for liquidity with news. Really, Nano? I find that very interesting. Some people say don't touch it, and others are like, it's the way to go. Oh my gosh, what is this? Who's in a buy right now? Are you all happy? Are you all super chuffed right now? Holy macaroni. Ooh, they look for a hanging man. What's that? What's a hanging man? Yeah, Thomas K. To be fair, I backtested the 5-minute orb before, Thomas, not the 15-minute. Maybe I should have a look at the 15-minute because that respected it beautifully. No, I haven't placed a trade today. Knight 1, 2, 3 next level NQ is going to. Yep. I mean, it's flipping climbing. Is that a NASA sweater? Yeah. I mean, it's not a real one. Before you get excited, but yeah. And it makes I should make the switch. I will consider it. Did I have a winning trade? I haven't traded since yesterday. Yeah, that's why I needed to have a breather. But yes, in general, I am a scalper. Doesn't mean I have to trade every day. You need me to break. What makes you think I have a man? Marzia, you did. I mean, I also, so, like, guys, okay, maybe I'm getting a little bit better at calling it. Who knows? I did say when we started, I think this is just gonna continue with this upward trend. It just had to retest a little bit first before it continued. I mean, check, it's been going up the whole day. It's been slowly popping up. This is just a insane move right here. Oh, yay! Whoop 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 Bob! Damn, Jordy, thanks for the... Jordy here telling me everything. Oh no. Boom Banana. Michelle, you're very funny, thank you. And Boom, sorry, yes, my bad. Boom Banana, apparently we gotta break up. T-Rex said we gotta break up. No, macro's over, now we potentially see a pullback. Is he still in it? No ways. Is Bob still in this? Okay. That's my roommate, guys. Sorry, I did say I would possibly have to leave early today. That's me. I gotta leave early today. Sorry, I know it wasn't very long. I just wanted to hop on and say hi to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna call it there. Sorry, I'm gonna miss this. You guys are gonna have to tell me how it goes tomorrow. I couldn't not come online today. I had to see you guys, so I'm gonna call it. You guys are amazing. Sorry I couldn't join for the whole thing. Maybe it's a sign. I needed a day to just. Okay, but I love you guys madly. If like, yeah, of course. Okay, I gotta go. They're freaking out. I love you guys. Bye.